Dear friends, I am welcoming you to interesting topic discussion on global chip shortage. This video starts with the query, why global chip demand became an alarming issue and how the world is preparing itself to deal this issue.
In this slide, newspaper clippings from Autocar, the New York Times stating that car manufacturing was halted due to semiconductor crisis.
What are microchips? Come let us see.
Microchip is a magic word, which brought the size of a computer from room size to palm size. Microchips also reduce the power consumption and increase the computational ability. It is also called as digital gold, or new oil in the digital age.
Microchips are made up of silicon, a semiconductor, with transistors. Microchips are considered as brain of any smart device. It can able to store instructions for standalone devices as well as connected devices.
They are used in the electronic devices we use every day. Our computers, our phones, our televisions, and even our cars. They are microchips. Microchips are tiny electronic circuits. These small chips send and receive signals as electrical pulses and rapidly do complex calculations on these signals. The microchips inside your computer receive input when we type on a keyboard, move a mouse, or receive data from the internet. The microchip you're seeing now is from a normal desktop computer. The job of this chip is to act like an electronic middleman. The chip interprets input from another part of the computer, like the keyboard, and sends this output to the main brains of the computer, a microchip called the central processing unit. As we zoom further in, we need to use a scanning electron microscope, or SEM, and the small gold wires will now appear to be huge white columns. These wires are the chip's link to the outside world. They provide power to the chip and also send signals to and from the chip. Now we see a well-organized landscape. The gridded pathways are tiny metal wires. Electrical pulses travel along these wires to go between different parts of the chip. These wires are the roads and highways of the microchip world. As we get closer, some pathways cross over others. This is because microchips are layered. This chip, which was made in the late 90s, has only 4 layers, while modern chips will have 12 or more. All these pathways lead to transistors, the basic building block of a microchip. From these simple building blocks, complex functionality can be built. For example, circuits that can add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers. The pathways in transistors are about 1 micron, or 1,000 nanometers across. The amazing thing is that by modern standards, this is huge. Newer chips often use transistors that are as small as 20 nanometers. This means that if we removed one of the old 1 micron transistors, we could fit 2,500 modern transistors in its space. And it's a good thing that transistors are so tiny, because a modern microchip in your laptop can contain over 1 billion transistors. Advances in nanotechnology have not only made microchips smaller and faster, but also more energy efficient.
Where microchips are used. Microchips are used basically in 2 types of equipments, namely A. Standalone devices, B. Connected devices.
Standalone devices are the ones which operates with predefined setup protocols. For e.g., smart washing machines are programmed to use hot water with 80 deg for woolen clothes and the spin drum speed at 400 revolutions per minute. Moreover, the other standalone devices are DVD players, remote control equipment, etc.
Connected devices are the ones which operates with the high stream of internet connection. It needs updated data from internet to provide customized output. For example, Google Alexa needs updated data to provide required output. Some of the connected devices are smartphones, smart TVs, etc.
We will have an entertaining break to boost our memory cells.
why the demand of chip grows high.
Pandemic demands non-societal community to avoid the spread. Pandemic introduces following terminologies to the human society.
First point, work from home. We will see a small entertaining video on difference between work from home and work in office.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. The lift stuck like boom. Wow, I waited for 20 minutes. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. The tree break down. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Stomachache.
Aya, Wi-Fi down. Aya, my Zoom keeps hanging. Yeah, my mic camera not working. But I'm here, boss. I'm working. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, boss, I'm here.
Okay, Benzo, go and prepare the sales report for next year. Kelly, go and prepare the deck for next Tuesday's meeting. Got it? Got it?
Boss.
All right, go. So efficient. Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, boss.
Kelly, you're on mute. Can you... Never mind. Benzo, can you... Hey, you're lagging. Is it me? Hey, you... Never mind lah. So inefficient.
I'm so sick of outside food. I wish to have some home cooked food. You know? I'm so sick of home cooked food. I really wish to have some outside food.
I give birth to Char Siu, I can still eat. I give birth to you for what? Everyday complain. Faster eat.
Hey, Kelly, one bubble tea.
Oh my god, yeah.
We split the delivery cost.
Okay.
Order. Yes. Alright, report done. Okay, time for some bubble tea. What? $17 for a bubble tea?
Benjamin Zhongwei-Xuan, where is the report? You're supposed to finish everything by yesterday. Where is it now? You look at Kelly. She finished everything by last week already. You slacking, huh? You OT now.
Hey, Benjamin Zhongwei-Xuan, what are you doing now? Playing game again, is it? Why is your room so messy? I asked you to do dishes yesterday, you still haven't done yet. Can you look at your sister Kelly or not, huh? She helped me to wipe the tables and somehow she got a boyfriend, you got what? You just play game. I gave birth to you for what?
Longy, help me get coffee. Longy! Help me set the room. Longy! Help me tie. Mom, can you help me get some tea? Mom, help me get my jacket. Mom, help me get a box of tissue. Mom,
Hey, Mom, don't need already. Mom, you are hanging close, Mom.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Where got wrong?
Can you just make it a minute? I got so many things to do. Okay.
Sir, here's your order.
Second point, purchase from home.
consult a doctor from home.
Roller coaster. Experiencing both highs and lows in blood sugar is exhausting. Sometimes, no matter what is done, diabetes is hard to get under control. Having to keep up with frequent glucose checks and keeping detailed logs of results is time-consuming and frustrating. Not to mention the hours spent in the office. When it comes time for a follow-up, efforts always seem to fall short somehow. Whether it's forgetting glucose readings, a rising A1C, or added medications. Meet Sugar MDs, a personalized approach to treating diabetes. There's no need to visit the doctor's office, keep records of glucose readings, and A1C reduction is guaranteed. Regardless of the diabetes device you use, our doctors can remotely track and monitor your blood sugars. Sugar MDs offers personalized care from a board-certified endocrinologist, as well as 24/7 support from diabetes health coaches. Sugar MDs also tracks progress via individualized health assessments. Visit sugarmds.com.
Fourth point, learn from home online classes.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this online class. Click present when I call your name. Jack? Okay. Peter? Okay. Charles?
Present.
Okay.
Let's listen to that.
So I know this is a bit unusual, but I really hope we can study well.
To practice these protocols, consumers need basic equipments, namely non-fluctuating, high-beam network, smart devices.
Internet 4.0.
Demands automation everywhere. The place where we live.
Equipment we use to communicate and we wear, equipment used for mobility.
The place we do our business, catering and on. So, automation needs microchips and chip demand is going to exponentially grow, but the manufacturers are few.
What is the lead time of a chip?
Lead time is defined as the time span between the end time while consumer places the order and n+1 time when the consumer receives his per order.
As of now,
Headphone chip lead time extends from 40 to 52 week. Power management chip lead time increases from 19.7 week to 23.7 week.
Increasing trend of lead time prior and after to COVID. Leading companies manufacturing chip are ST Microelectronics, Renesas, MOSFET, Altera, and Microchip. Out of which Microchip brand extends its lead time 2.77 times of original time. Prior to pandemic 18 weeks, after to pandemic 50 weeks.
What is the incubation time for new players? Come let us see.
Incubation and investments. Incubation time of starting a company is from 6 months to 3 years. Money invested is within the range of $1.35 million to $450 billion for starting a plant.
Global leading manufacturers of microchip.
Intel is the largest turnover company, $73.09 billion US. Samsung is the second largest turnover with $60.48 billion US. TSMC is the third largest turnover with $45.52 billion US.
Welcome to my website, logistic-researcher.weebly.com.
This website has lot of latest updates on logistics such as blogs, free ebooks, logistic news around the globe and latest videos on logistics. I invite you to make use of.
Hi, I am taking an online tour to my new website, logistic-researcher.weebly.com.
In the home page, you will get latest blog writings and updates on logistics. Ben, would you tell me what topic you wrote on this week's blogs?
Blog is on what is blockchain and how it impacts the supply chain.
In this blog, you will get informative updates on blockchain, cryptography, Caesar cipher wheel, classical cryptographic technique, blockchain for shared ledgers, significance of blockchain and on.
Exactly, you will also have latest free study tools too.
In the tab named Study Videos, you will get more informative videos on logistics.
The videos are 360 triangulation, sourcing strategies, logistics in supply chain, logistics from Stone Age to Ultra Age, logistics 4.0, supply chain basics. In the third tab named eBooks. In this session, we will have free ebooks on the topic named Fundamentals of Supply Chain Management, Logistics and Supply Chain Management. Purchasing and Supply Chain Management and Sustainable Logistics SCM.
Next tab carries information on latest logistics news. Last page carries information on Write to Me, where you can reach me by filling a simple form attached to it.